What's the meaning of badness? Badness. Badness.
Badness. Badness. Badness is a term used to describe the degree or extent to which something is considered unpleasant, undesirable, or morally wrong. It can refer to actions, behaviors, attitudes, or qualities that are harmful, negative, unpleasant, and generally frowned upon. The concept of badness is subjective and varies depending on cultural, social, and personal values. For example, some people may consider lying as a form of badness, while others may not see it as a big deal. In essence, badness is a negative attribute that is associated with things that are deemed harmful or undesirable in any given context.